welcome to our tutorial on Windows Performance Booster. Today we'll see 4 different methods to boost our PC performance. So without wasting time, let's start our tutorial for the day. In the first method, we'll use Ready Boost. If your PC is using SSD, this method won't help you boost your performance, so you can skip this part and go to next method. For others, you'll need external USB drive, either a pen drive or hard disk will do. So let's check how to do this. Click on this folder icon. Once it opens, click on this PC. Right click on your USB storage drive. Go to properties. Inside properties, click on Ready Boost. As I said, my device is already installed on SSD, so this performance, this Ready Boost performance will not work for me. So now, but I have a solution for you. I'll show you how it looks when you have an option for Ready Boost. So this is how your screen will looks when you have an option for Ready Boost. Select this device to the Ready Boost and then click on apply and then click on OK. So once you do this, you'll see a difference in your PC after restart. So restart your system. Let's check next method for the day. And the next method will increase page file size. System always uses best page size needed for its best performance. We'll see how to adjust or tweak that in order to get a better performance from Windows 10. So in the start menu, click on setting, go to systems, scroll down and click on about, go to system info. On the left pane, click on Advanced System Settings. Inside Advanced, click on Settings. Now go to Advanced tab, select the program and click on Change. So make sure that this automatically is selected. This is the best setting that I can recommend and Windows recommend. So make this sure this is selected. If you want to tweak it, make a changes to by default page size, you can always deselect it and then click on custom size and write your size of page. So on the bottom there you can see minimum and then recommended and then currently allocated. So you can increase this page size and put initial and maximums. I'll select automatically manage page size and then click on OK. So you need to restart your system. Go ahead and restart your system once you have done this. Let's check our next method. We will see how to check and install any Windows update available. Start menu, click on Settings. Go to Update and Security. Click on Windows Update and then click on Check for updates. Let your system check for update. If there is any, it will show you. If you see green tick, that means no action is needed. In case if updates are available, download and install it. Let's check our next method. In this method, we'll restore your PC from a system restore point. Let's see how to do this. Now in the search bar, type create a restore point. Now click on open. Now inside the system protection, click on system restore. As you can see, this option will be used if your system is running slow or stop responding. So you can do this. So click on next. This will show you list of all the available restore points. Select one that you want to restore and then scan for a selected program. Now it will give you the list of all the programs that were installed after this restore point. Please note, all these programs and drivers will be uninstalled if you restore your system. So once you have make your decision, close this and then click on next. This will restore your system from previous restore point, the one that you have selected. I hope this method has helped you fix your problem. Start your system after completion of all these steps. If your PC is still very slow, then it's a time to think about hardware issues. You should consider increasing RAM size, adding SSD, and even if this does not boost the performance, well, it's time to replace your system itself. You are watching F Originals. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Your problem, our solution.